this video, you will learn how to embroider using the straight stitch. You can use this stitch on the ferns with the blue floss in your kit. You can also use the white floss in your kit to straight stitch the tulip flower filaments. To begin the stitch, bring your needle from the back of the fabric to the front where you want your stitch to start. Now move your needle to the other end of your stitch and insert your needle down into the fabric. Pull your floss until it rests flat against your fabric. Be careful not to pull too tightly, just let the stitch lay flat. Now bring your needle from the back to the front at the beginning of the next stitch you want to make that is nearby. Straight stitches can be made in any direction. Technically a single stitch, they can be grouped together with spaces between them to create visual interest in an embroidery such as a patterned border or a confetti-like sprinkling of stitches.